Hi everyone, welcome to Shake It Off Lamourify. Today I'm going to share with you benefits of eating oranges. Oranges are a good source of fiber and rich in vitamin C and folate. Oranges may benefit the heart health and reduce some chronic diseases, enhance iron absorption and support healthy immune system. Whole orange and orange juice, the difference is fresh and refreshing, and important number of nutrients and beneficial plant compounds. Even though both orange juice and whole oranges are nutritious, but there are two differences between these two. And fiber content, one of the main difference between pure juice and whole oranges is the fiber content. Juice is lower in fiber. Added sugar, some orange juice may add sugars, which is not good for health, and so drink less of it. And best is fresh fruit. Adverse side effects. Oranges does not have known adverse side effects. It's rare cases that you may have allergies, but if you do, just avoid eating oranges. Oranges are a good source of vitamin C and other vitamins and minerals and antioxidants. Simply just eat orange juice to a optimum health. And you may read more in my Facebook group page.